In this video, we will show the best sewing machines in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Brother FS 101 Computerized Sewing Machine. At number 2, Usha Janome Automatic Stitch Magic Sewing Machine. At number 3, Singer 8280 Sewing Machine. At number 4, Singer Promise 1408 Sewing Machine. At number 5, Usha Janome Allure 75-watt Sewing Machine. At number 6, Usha International Prime Sewing Machine. At number 7, Usha Janome Wonder Stitch Sewing Machine. At number 8, Usha Janome Marvela Sewing Machine. At number 9, Brother GS 1700 Sewing Machine. At number 10, Brother GS 3700 Sewing Machine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.